Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook step by step in 2025. So whether you are using Outlook for business, customer support, or just want to save time, templates are a powerful productivity tools. So let's dive right in. So first, what exactly is an email template in Outlook? An email template is a pre-formatted message that you can reuse over and over. It saves time if you frequently send the same type of message like follow-ups, appointment confirmations, or reports. So now let's create an email template in Outlook 2025. First thing you have to do is open your Outlook application, or you can use the web browser also. Now from here you can simply click on new mail to create a new mail from here. So when you have created a new mail, you can find there is lots of option has just arrived in this toolbar, where you can find this icon here, this 4 box in a large box icon here, that is actually the apps of Microsoft Outlook. Now from here you have to search for template, hit enter, or you can do is simply, so right now you can see I don't have this template application right here. If I search for my template or template or any of this, then it won't appear here. So sometimes the Outlook app got some glitches, or some issues can occur on your Outlook application. So you have to do is simply log in your same account on your web browser, just like this. So when you are on your web browser, you can do is give a refresh on your web browser. Now when you have refreshed your Microsoft Outlook, you can go to the outlook.live.com, and from here you have to simply do the same step, that new mail, and you can find where you can add your mail here. Now you can find this same icon here for the apps. Simply click on it. Now you can find my templates here. As you can see, also you can get some add-ins if you want. So I'm going with this my templates. Simply click on it, and from here you can see they are actually recognizing any template. So simply click on continue. In this account I never create any template, so here you can find some default templates that actually made by Microsoft Outlook itself. So for example, there is 3 templates. If I simply click on one template here, it has added the message body here. So you can see the body here. Also you can edit it by simply this edit icon here. You can add the title and the message body here. Also you can delete it by this trash icon. Now from here, these 3, so I'm going to delete these 3 of them. You can also find this is different, and this is also different from here. So I'm going to delete them all from here. Now for example, if it's your professional account, then you can do is simply create a template here. Like I'm going to create a template. Now I'm going to add the title, that appointment or approval, for example approval. I'm going to give a title here. Now your daily task has been approved, please wait for the next instructions. So I have just added it. So there is an issue here, next instruction. So I have added message body here, like this, and simply if you simply click on save, then it will save as a template here. So when you simply click on it, you can find it will add it to your message body, where you can add this title. You can copy this title and paste it in your subject section. Now approval, or you can edit this here, approval status, just like this. So and you can simply copy again, and you can again paste it on your subject, and you can add any recipient you want in this 2 section. You can add multiple recipients if you want. So here you can see you have added. Now if you want multiple template like this, you can simply click on template. Now if you want to get a professional template for working purpose and making a any type of appointment, then you have to do is simply open a tab here, and I'm going to use ChatGPT here. ChatGPT. So here you can see I'm on the ChatGPT models here. ChatGPT AI will help you to get those templates easily. So you can simply search for like write me, or you can find some tools here. So write or code here you can find, you can simply click on write, or you can find more thing or longer, or you can simply search write like write me email template, or you can add write me a professional email template for appointment. So I have just added it. So from here you can do is simply select it here. In just some few seconds, it has just created the email here with all of the editable section from here. So you have to do is simply click on all of this from here. So I'm going to copy this here. Now I'm going to paste it in this section here. Now here is some subject, so I'm going to delete the subject section, and the subject will be at title. So I'm going to add it to the title here, just like this. Or you can add it like set here and paste it here, for example. If I paste it here, so you can add a title here. So I'm going to add the title here. So I'm going to add it to the title of the subject, and here is all of things that you can find here. So just like this, and all of this here, that bold, and here you can simply click on save, and this template has just saved here, and you can see the preview from this section here, and it's pretty cool. Now only one click, you make sure that all of this text here is deleted and it's blank here. Now only one click can give you this whole email, just in one click, and another click to the send button, or add a recipient, then send button, and you are good to go to send these messages in some few minutes or some few seconds actually. Now from here you can see you can edit the recipient name. So for example, I'm going to edit it for like John. So like this, option 1, date and time. You can add a date and time here. Here for example, I'm going to add like 10th July, 10th July at 12 a.m. Also we can add more like this here. Like I'm going to copy this format here and paste it here. Again, I'm going to again paste it here. I'm going to change the date. Sorry, not this here. 11 and like this 12. So you can see I have just added here. Now from here, this work here, you can find some suggestions, so make sure that you have completed the session here. And here is more editable section that beneficial to state object benefits, or for example any this align or goal. So you can also edit this section from here. So like this, I'm going to delete this here, just like this. And here also the meeting can be held in mention mode, in person or via Zoom or Google Meet. Here it is. I'm going to add this via Google Meet here. Now from here you can delete all the rest of the options. Google Meet, depending on your preference. Now looking for your response where regards your full name. So I'm going to add my full name here. Position here, for example, general manager. Company should be anything, how to, anything like this. Then you can add your phone number, your email address, and you can add your website also. So when you have added this, you can add this title also from here. So you have to do is simply again go to the, if you can find the app option here again, then you can go to the insert and you can find apps and you can find my templates from here. Now you can copy this title from here. Sorry for that. I'm going to copy this again. I just denied that copy paste option here. So that's not a problem. So we can add it, or you can simply click on it and you can copy this from here, and you can also paste it in this section. Now you can add any recipient you want, then simply click on send. So that's how you can use email template on your Microsoft Outlook easily. So here you can see we have just added accidentally, we have just added double template from here. We can delete this like this here. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.